Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create best CV for yourself in a very easy way. You see all this template is ready, you can use it for your CV. Also this template is available. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. From Google, search for resume sector. Enter. Click this link. Browse templates. Which template you want? For example, I want this template. There is more template also if you want. Here, which template you want? For example, I selected this template. It's up to you. Click it. You can download the template in Microsoft Word format. Color it resume template. Okay, save. Show in folder. Open it. Enable editing. Change setting. Good. You can add your data. Okay, you can add your data here. The most important thing is changing the image. For example, I delete this image, then insert new image. This device, for example, I bring this image. Good. Make this one, then crop two shapes. For example, I selected this shape, then crop. Okay, just crop. Now put it here. Resize. Okay, add a borderline. Click this one, picture border. Make it white. Change its thickness. For example, this thickness. Now, after inserting all of your data, we are ready just to change it to PDF format. From File, Save As, Browse, My CV, PDF, Save. You see, that's my CV in PDF format. That's all. Have a nice time.